Do you want to remove unwanted parts of your video and keep only the best moments? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to trim and cut videos in CapCut Mobile. Let's get started. Step number 1 is to open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project or select an existing project. Trimming is the second step. To trim your video, tap and hold beginning or end of the clip. Then, drag the edge inward. This removes unwanted footage from the start or finish while keeping the rest of your video intact. The third step is cutting or split the video. To cut your video into separate sections, move the playhead to exact point where you want to make the cut. Tap split and CapCut will divide the clip into 2 parts. You can now delete unnecessary sections, rearrange clips, or add transitions. The final step is to play your edited video from start to finish and check if every cut flows naturally. And that's how you trim and cut videos in CapCut Mobile. Mastering these simple tools will help you create cleaner, more professional-looking edits with ease. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless us all!